Hey man, say man, we are back with another video. Just coming back from a much needed break from the charts. I did not trade yesterday. Some people probably traded yesterday, but I just decided to take the whole day off and just completely disassociate from the charts. So we came back today with a banger. I only took one trade, and I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to win off that one trade on US30. Something I actually sent out to my Discord, so they was able to capitalize on it as well. But yeah, good way to end a first day back on the charts, and 1-0 on the week. So we want to. This week is NFP week. I don't really trade. I usually trade oil, which is not really affected by it, but today I traded US30, so we will continue to look at the news when it comes to that. But we want to make sure that we understand what price is trying to do during this week and understand how the price may want to end out the week. So that's one thing we're going to keep in mind. But let's break down this US30 sell that I sent out to my Discord. All right, so as I do all the time, we are going to break down from the previous day's highs and lows. I have that marked off already, the previous day high and the previous day low. I also marked off some sell side liquidity just to see where price is at the moment, if we've already taken some liquidity on the higher time frame, and then go down to the lower time frame and see if there's any smaller time frame liquidity that we're trying to take. So for US30, I was looking for sells mostly just because of where price was at, and we are again at all-time highs, so sales just make more sense for me right now. It might not be the full, bigger picture, but until we make some lower lows down here, I'm going to continuously look for sales unless they don't present themselves. So let me show you guys. I think I went straight from the daily to the 1 hour to kind of see where price is at. And we were just lingering around this area right here, up in this area. And then I went down to let me take this off. Then I went down to the 15 minute, and I saw us just consolidating, right? So normally when price consolidates, we're going to have either some sort of manipulation and then a continuation of whatever we're trying to go. So I was waiting for price to show its hand. I don't want to trade before 8:30 when it comes to US30 or any indices or gold or whatever it is, just because it's super volatile at that time. So before I take a trade, it's going to be right after 8:30. So what I was looking for was any type of liquidity sitting in that area for price to take. And because we are super bearish at this moment and super close to, well, really the middle of price when it comes to previous day high and previous day low, I didn't really know where I wanted to take my sales at, if it presented itself, or if buys were really where I should be going. So before I did anything, I let price show its hand. And exactly what it did on the 5 minute is, well, first of all, let me show you guys why I have this marked off, right? So on the 15 minute or on the 30 minute, I like to kind of see, okay, if price is going to take some liquidity, where is it going to take it at? And is there any gaps in those areas, right? So I looked on the 30 minute and I saw we have this gap here, right? And then sitting above that, we also have fair value gap sitting right above that. They kind of broke this initial structure. So I'm like, if price is going to sell, we're going to go up first, right? Take some liquidity, and then we're going to come down. If price is going to buy, we're going to come down first, take some liquidity, and then go up. So I was just waiting on which one it did first, and lo and behold, it went up first, right? So it took some smaller time frame, buy side liquidity, and then we had some areas of interest in this area. Like I said, on the 30 minute, and I believe on the 1 hour, we had the fair value gap that it wanted to tap into. So those are confirmations, more confirmations than none, for me to take sales. Now, originally, you know how I get in, right? So I wait for price to give me some sort of bearish closure and then a break of that close. So price was moving super fast when I sent this into my Discord. So all I could do is just send it out and hope people was able to take the sales and the opportunities when it presented itself. For me, I wasn't going to take the initial sell right here, just because, again, I know how volatile US30 is, and if I miss the move, I miss the move. But if it presents an opportunity for me, I'm going to get in. On a 5 minute, that's what it did. It presented a opportunity for me. I waited for this to close, and I was like, okay, if this breaks, I'll get in. But I kind of wanted it to do exactly what it did, just because this would have been a huge stop loss for me, right? If I were to put if it breaks that initial down candle, right? And then I put my stop loss all the way up there, that's damn near 100 pips. I'm not doing that shit, right? So I want to wait, and I want to see if price is going to retrace back, and then I'll get in. Now, normally my entries would be somewhere around that. I mean, that a candle, right? So I need some sort of bearish candle and then a break of that. But we didn't get that, so I had to take what price was gonna give me. We got this candle closed, and I'm like, all right, if price comes back up, I'm not gonna get in. I'm not gonna look for sales. But if price breaks this candle down, I'm going to look for sales, and I'm gonna get in. And that's exactly what I did. And we end up hitting TP in that 5 minutes, right? So I was looking for price to come down and take these previous day lows, or just some of these lows for liquidity. And that's all I was looking for. I wasn't looking to hold any longer than that, just because it's my first day back on the charts. I want to secure some W's, and I want to make sure that my team and my Discord secure some W's. So 1 to 2 is all I'm looking for, and that's what happened. That's the only trade that I took today. I was looking at CL and gold, but CL kind of pushed before I was ready for it to get in. Like, I don't trade before 8 o'clock on CL, and I didn't get an opportunity before it pushed down. And then gold, I was looking for this buy opportunity because we had a weekly area that price wanted to go into. That's what I have marked off right here. This weekly imbalance, or this fair value gap on a weekly time frame, is what I was looking for price to come into, and then I could take a potential buy. But I had already won on US30, so I wasn't trying to take another trade. So that probably would have won. Let me see if I would have been able to get in on this. Yeah, I probably would have got in on this somewhere in this area here after the initial push up, and then it holding this area of interest, or this liquidity right here, and then pushing up on up for a 1 or 2. So I probably would have been able to get in then, but US30 is and was the first opportunity, and I just took that. So that's all I have. Let me put myself back on here. Yeah, that's all I have for today's breakdown. This week is going to be my first week doing live trading with the Discord. So hold on. Yeah, this week is going to be the first week I'm doing live trading with the Discord, which I'm excited for. I think I had something on, but I think it just took me out. Yeah, I had to make sure I ain't had none still lingering. But yeah, this week is gonna be the first week I'm gonna have my live trading with the Discord. I'm super excited about it. A little nervous, but excited to be able to actually them see me how I take my trades live. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you tap in. It's free, especially on the for the Friday live. That is absolutely free. You do not have to pay for that. Tap into my strategy. If you don't know how I trade, if you want just a little bit more of a detail of why I get into trades and what I look for, and step by step on how I mark up my charts, make sure you tap into the strategy. Link is in the bio. Discord, obviously free, link in the bio. I will eventually have the exclusive part. I decided to just hold off on that and just focus on the free part first, but I will eventually have the exclusive part to where you guys are being able to trade with me every single day. But for now, we're just going to do the free with the Discord on Fridays, and then sometime before the end of the year, maybe beginning of the year, I don't know how I want to work that just yet, we'll include the exclusive members. So yeah, that's all I got for now. I will see you guys on the next one. Be on the lookout for a vlog I'm dropping if it ain't dropped already. Be on the lookout for that. I'm coming with different content. I want to kind of show you guys a little bit more of my personality outside of these charts. You know what I'm saying? So we can just connect on a different type of level. But again, that's all I got. See you guys on the next one. Peace.